Hello guys, I am Sanju and welcome to my channel Lazy Loading Eagerly Trading. Today we will be discussing about one strategy where you will earn maximum profit. Okay, let me consider one of the chart from here, that is Bank Nifty June. Okay, you can consider any chart or any timeline, doesn't matter. You will at the end of the day be having a profit with this strategy, guys. Okay, so with this strategy, first thing you have to do is set this to 1 minute. Okay, and this has 1 day. Okay, so guys, since the trade time is already done, I would like to just tell about the existing chart that is shown to me in this place. Okay, and so what you have to consider is I generally take a trade based on Supertrend and with some confirmations or indicator. Okay, let's jump into that, and I will explain you one by one what is how you have to take these trades. Okay, first thing guys, go and add here Supertrend. Okay, guys, once you have added the super trend, you can see that super trend will show you a buy and sell signal. Okay, so my strategy is not anything extraordinary. It is very simple. Wherever the super trend says you to buy, you have to go and buy, and wherever the super trend says you to sell, you have to go and sell. This is all is my strategy, guys. Let's consider this chart, which is of May 29th, and where is the starting here? Okay, 9:15. Guys, this is the chart that I have considered a May 29th 9:15 chart. Okay, so in this indicator you can see that at 10:06 somewhere around, yeah, somewhere here 10:06 super indicator has told you to super indicator has changed and it has told you to do a buy signal. So is this a fake signal or this is a real signal? I will confirm that? So the only place where I feel very comfortable to take trade is to know whether this is really a buying zone. How we will determine that this is a buying zone after super trend has changed? So to confirm that, there is one indicator called as pivot. Okay guys, this is the pivot indicator which you have to apply. Okay, once you apply pivot indicator, there is one setting that you need to perform. That is, if you go here, there is a settings here. Just go here. Okay, and in the type you have to change the setting from traditional to camarilla. So this is the play. After you change this, you will find something like this. And let me zoom a little bit, pull the chart. Okay guys, you can see, oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. Let me put this staying, let this stay here. Okay, okay guys, see here, this is the pivotal region which has been determined with P, and whatever the region below this is called as the support region. Okay, so basically whatever it is like S1, S2, S3, S4, these are all support regions, and whatever is on the above like R1, R2, R3, R4 and so on is called as the resistance zone. Okay, fine. Now since the trend is followed from previous day, and it is not changed, I don't want to take a trade in at this time like 9 o'clock, 9:15, 9:10. I'm just waiting and watching where the super trend will change. Finally the super trend got changed at 10:06. I don't enter into the market in the running candle, so I'll wait for the next green candle to form. So guys, somewhere around 10:11 or 10, in between 10, right? So 10:10 there is a green candle again at this point. Okay, so at this point again there is a green candle, so I will take a trade at this moment. And how and another way where I will determine this is not a fake call is I will make sure that super trend has showed me a buying signal in between S2 and S4. Okay guys, this is very important guys, please. I am going to repeat this once again because this is the main concept behind this video. Always take a trade whenever there is a super trend changed after three candles or next candle, next green candle. Okay, so After that, you have to make sure that you are lying between S2 and S4 region. Okay, this is the zone where it will confirm you that these are the support zones, and will it is good for you to take a trade. Okay guys, so once you take a trade here, so your target should be somewhere in between R1 and R2. Okay, so I had kept R1 in my previous trade on 29th and achieved around 15,000 of profit. I'm extremely sorry, guys. I don't have that live recording since I am trying this strategy from past 1 week. From next month, I mean to say that June, that is from the next trade, I will do a live recording. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I will show you how the strategy works day by day with very minimal loss and maximum profit. Guys, I take generally 100 quantity and aim for 100 to 150 points. That is my strategy with this. Okay, so super trend got changed. Coming back to our example here, super trend got changed. I will wait for next green candle and I will determine whether this lies between S2 and S4 region. So all the conditions satisfied, enter into the market. I entered into the market at this point generally. Okay, so at this point I entered into the market. After I entered into the market, as I said you, my target was R1. So somewhere here, my target was somewhere here, guys. Okay, so which was close to more, it is close to 200 point and above 150 point. If you consider this one, I entered somewhere here at 850 rupees and I exited somewhere around 991 rupees, right? So it's like um Nah, close to above 150 points or close to 150 points, guys. So this is how my strategy is. If you need the same strategy even applies when you are going with the shorting position. Now I showed you how to take a long position. Let's consider um, a place where you can go with a short position. Guys, what we did with the long position, we checked the super trend got changed and in between S2 and S4 we bought it. The same logic lies even when you want to take a short position. You have to make sure that, oh my bad, okay, you have to make sure that your shorting position is shown somewhere in between R2 and R4 and super trend is changed. Okay, now if you consider this region like say 1049, the super trend showed you to sell. Okay, so guys, please don't go and blindly take a trade here. Okay, wait on for next red candle to form. So next candle, red candle is formed somewhere here. Okay, so that means the market is sustaining here. So is it a good choice to take a trade here? No, I don't recommend it because this is not in the support resistant region. So if the zone is in the resistant and the super trend is given you to short in this zone, only then you have to go and take a trade. Else don't trade, guys. These are very risky trades. If you're taking, suppose if you would have taken a trade at this point, say thinking that it is very close to the resistant zone, then you would have ideally met your stop loss somewhere here, and you, even if you had a very minimal profit, you would not got 100 points also. So you will definitely would have gone and hit your stop loss. So guys, you can even, there is one more example here which I would like to cover where the fake call is given. Okay, guys, consider this scenario again. Here, here Supertrend told you to do a buy call, correct? So I will wait for next another green candle which came around 11:43, and I, so if you would have gone and bought it here, some trade, some quantity, and definitely again you would have hit your stop loss somewhere at this region, guys. Okay, so always you have to make sure that whenever there is a call of super trend, you have to correspondingly check whether this call is in the support region. So this is not, this call you got it in the resistance zone or resistant region. So guys, please avoid such kind of trade. Okay, if you avoid such kind of trade, you will be really in the profit, you will have no loss. So you can backtrack this strategy, do some paper trading, guys, and see if it is feasible for you, and if it is working out to you, please apply this strategy. And if once you have done and you have any thoughts or any inputs, please share me your thoughts so that even I can look into that and I can provide you a better suggestion and take some extra steps, guys. So that's all, guys, I have, and you can please feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or anything, please share with me. I'll try to resolve them. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.